Good morning, Blue Maths Group. Okay, so this morning we are going to do exactly the same starters that we did yesterday. So we're going to practice our counting in tens and our counting in twos. So the first thing we're going to do is count in tens from 10 all the way up to 100. Are you ready? Let's see if we can go nice and fast today. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Well done. Okay, how about counting backwards in 10? So we'll go from 100 down to 10. Are you ready? 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Well done. Okay, and now the one we've only just started learning, our counting in twos. Are you ready? Can we do that one? Again, I'm not going to show you those numbers on screen. Let's see if we can do it without. Are you ready? Off we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. How did you do? Let's just bring this one out and have a look in case you found it tricky. So hopefully you're counting in twos really well now. If again you found it tricky, it's back on screen for us. Remember, we skip a number, so we only say the even numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Even numbers, they are great. So if you need to, again, pause me and practice your counting in twos. Remember, even numbers mean we can share them equally between people and there's nothing left over for them to fight about. So have a go at practicing your twos. If you're not getting really good at counting them yet, keep practicing. You will get better. It's just a case of practice and practice and practice. Okay, once you've done that, as I say, pause me if you want to. When you're ready, move on and we'll have a look at some more money. Okay, so yesterday we looked at all the different coins, didn't we? And do you remember you had them? I asked you to go and find some and look at them as well if you could. If you've still got those coins, that's brilliant. Keep using them, keep looking at them because that will really help you get used to money and which one is which. So we sorted our money yesterday, didn't we, into 3 different groups: bronze, silver, and gold and silver. And we said that if you win a race, you want to get gold, really. So those are the highest value, the ones that are worth more money and we can buy more with. Then we said silver is your second in race, isn't it? So these are not as valuable as the gold, but they are more valuable than the bronze because the bronze is 3rd place in a race, isn't it? So the least value, more value, the most value of coins that we've got. Now, when we look at them, we split them, didn't we? And we said, okay, we'll start with bronze. And the bronze were easy because they had the numbers written on them. So we knew that was 1p and that one was 2p. And the smaller bronze is worth less. It's worth 1. And the larger bronze is worth more. It's worth 2p. So 1p and 2p. Then we went to the silver and we split them into our curved edges and our vertices shapes, didn't we? And we said with our curved edges, one has a number written on it and the other one has it written in words. So the smaller one is worth 5p and the larger one is worth 10p. So 5p and 10p are worth more than our 1p and our 2p. So even though our 5p is a really small coin, it is worth more than our bronze coin. Okay, so our bronze are worth the least, aren't they? So then we looked at our silver with vertices and we said, oh, a bit more tricky here because they're written in words, but it's still there. And so 20p is the smaller one and 50p is the larger one. So again, these are worth more than these and these. Then we moved on to our silver and gold. Now, if you've got a silver and gold coin with you now, if you feel it, it's thicker than all of these bronze and silver coins. It's actually a thicker coin. And that's because these are our pounds. Do you remember we practiced yesterday writing our pounds sign, didn't we? And do you remember we said it looks a little bit like a capital E, but it curves, it comes down and it crosses. So that's how we write our pound sign, isn't it? So this is our £1. So he's the smaller of the two silver gold shapes, is our £1. And the larger one is our £2. Do you remember? Okay, so that's our coins in order of value, the least value to the most value. And we said that you wouldn't be able to buy very much with this one, but you probably could buy something with these here. Right, now let's move on and have a look at what we're going to do today with our coins. Today we are going to look at this coin, and this coin is the 10p, isn't it? This is our 10p. And we're going to look at using our 10p and counting in tens using our 10p. So we know that if we have one 10p, it's just like if I draw a Dean, isn't it? We've got one 10p. So we've got 10. So let's have a little think about what happens if we've got more than one 10p. How much money have I got on screen now? Hopefully you're thinking, oh, I can count in tens. You could draw your Deans to help you count in tens as well if you wanted to, couldn't you? Because I've now got two sets of 10. So if I've got two sets of 10, I've got 10, 20, I've got two tens, which makes, when I'm counting in tens, 10, 20. So now I have got 20, but 20 what? 20 bananas, 20 frogs? No, 20p, haven't I? When I'm talking about money, I always have to write my pence at the end of it. So if I have two of these coins, they make 20p. They make the same as, let me bring him in, there he is. So two 10p coins make the same as one 20p coin. So those 10, 20 make 20p, which is the same as this one coin. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. Ooh, how much money have I got now? Can you tell? Let's count. So we're counting in tens again. I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I've got 50p, so I'm going to write 50p. So I write my 50, don't I? 50. And remember, I have to say p, because if I don't know I'm talking about money. So 50p, I've got 50p. Now, 5 of those coins make 50p, which is the same as this one coin. This is a 50 pence, isn't it? So if I have 5 of these coins, they equal 1 of these, because this is more value, isn't it? Okay, right, so let's have a look at what we're going to do with our 10p's today. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to ask ourselves, how much money is in our piggy bank? So how much money is in the piggy bank? What value is in the piggy bank? Now we can see they're all 10p's, and we can see there's 4 10p's in there. What's the value of 4 10p's? How much money is that worth? Have a think. Come back to me when you've got your answer. Okay, so we're counting in tens again, aren't we? We're going to go 10, 20, 30, 40. So inside our piggy bank, we have got 40 pence. Did you get that right? And did you remember that you have to put the P on the end because we're talking about money? So inside our piggy bank, we have got 40 pence. 4 tens make 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 pence, because we're counting in tens, aren't we? Okay. This time I need to put some money into my piggy bank. So it's asking me to put this value into my piggy bank. Can I put the correct value of coins into my piggy bank? Pause me. How many coins are you going to have to put? They're all 10p's. How many 10p's do you need to put inside that piggy bank to make that total? Have you decided? Shall we do it together? Ready? So we're counting in tens, remember? So I'm going to go, let's take the first one, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60p. So I need to put 6 10p coins into my piggy bank to make 60p in my piggy bank. Did you get that right? Well done if you did. Okay, let's have a look at today's task. So I have sent these tasks home for you, but again, if you can't print them off, you can work them out on screen. That's absolutely fine. So your first sheet has got a piggy bank and it has some coins inside it, and you need to tell me how much money is inside the piggy bank. How much is it worth? So you need to count in tens, they're all 10p's, and tell me how much money is inside each of the pigs. Once you've done that one, I'd like you to put some money in the piggy banks. So on this one, I'd like you to draw your coins inside your piggy bank. So how many coins do you need to put? If you're using 10p coins, how many coins do you need to put inside each piggy bank to make the right value? Okay? I hope you have a great rest of the day, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Bye for now.